What is up, City Collegians? Come join us to learn more about mathematics in modern world. Today we're gonna talk about geometric designs, especially isometry. But before that, let me show you what would be your learning outcome after this video. Learning outcome: applying geometric concept, especially isometries in describing and creating designs. In the beginning, let us know what is geometric designs. Geometrical design is a branch of computational geometry. It deals with the construction and representation of free-form curves, surfaces, or volumes, and is closely related to geometric modeling. Core problems are curve and surface modeling and representation. Geometric models can be built for objects of any dimension in any geometric space. Both 2D and 3D geometric models are extensively used in computer graphics. 2D models are important in computer topography and technical drawing. 3D models are central to computer-aided design and manufacturing.
Now that you have an idea about geometric design, let's see what is isometries. Isometry equal. Metric measure is a geometric transformation that changes a figure in another one that is geometrical equal. That is, it neither changes the length of the segments of the figure or the amplitude of its angles. Thus, the only thing that changes in an isometry is the position. There are 4 types of isometries: the translations, the rotations, the reflections regarding an axis or a point, and the sliding reflection. First, let's talk about the translations. An isometry that consists in the displacement of a figure according to a direction, sense, and length. All the points of the original figure are displaced according to the same way, and all the segments of a line that belong to the original figure are transformed into parallel segments.
Next is the rotations. A figure corresponds to symmetry of rotation or rotational if it coincides with itself more than once during the whole turn. Concerning the regular polygons, the amount of rotation symmetries equals the amount of the sides of the polygon.
Third is the reflection. We say a figure has a reflection, symmetry, or axial reflection when it accepts at least one axis of symmetry. Concerning regular polygons, the amount of reflection symmetry equal the amount of the sides of the polygon.
Lastly, we have the sliding reflection. A sliding reflection consists of a geometric transformation involving a certain axis, and then it is followed by a translation throughout that same axis. Or as an alternative, it can first occur the translation and then the reflection of an axis which is parallel to the direction of the translation.
Now that you've learned the different types of isometries, let me show you how to make a great isometric designs.
First, we have 120-degree rule. The 120-degree rule states that all x, y, and z axes should be in 120 degree from origin point. Also, all horizontal lines should make a 30-degree angle.
Next is no converging lines. Isometric design are known to show things as they are instead of what we humans generally see them. There is no concept of converging lines in isometric designs, so things appear in their real form.
Lastly, we have avoid clutter. Since you are allowed to do many more things in 3D designs, it's normal to get carried away and try many things. Make sure not to overwhelm the user with information and confuse them.
Now let me show you where to use isometric design.
First, we have logos. Isometric design is creative to add life to your logo. As isometric designs are eye-catching and memorable, it will make your logo unique and stand out.
The next one is infographics. Infographics are an excellent way to present a complex topic into a smaller chunk of information. Using isometric illustrations, every element can be easily distinguishable.
Next is iconography. Since icons are smaller in size, it's always better to keep them simple. However, it doesn't mean you can't add depth to them, as we are so used to seeing flat design that it gets ease.
Lastly, we have landing pages. The sole purpose of landing pages is to increase the conversion rate. The visuals you put on landing pages play a crucial role on its performance. Isometric illustrations are a great way to convert.
That's all for today's video. We hope that you've learned something. Stay safe.
See you in the next video.